Hey, hi. Myself Amar. I'm an online trainer of that Dynamics 365 F&O Technical. In this video, you are going to learn about that what is GitHub Copilot in Dynamics 365 F&O and what is the importance of that GitHub Copilot, as well as that we are going to see about that installation of the GitHub Copilot in Visual Studio. And before installation, we'll see that what is the difference of that without GitHub Copilot after installation, how the GitHub Copilot is helping for our day-to-day activities in the writing the code. Okay, let's jump into the demo. First of all, I'm going to that my lab mission. So here I already opened one project. First of all, see here I'm not configured that GitHub Copilot. Let me write any one of that extension class or normal class. So go to that application explorer. Currently my project is running under fleet management. So I'm going to the model view, go to the fleet management. In fleet management, I want to write a chain of command of that one of the existing table. So let me take that FM car class. Okay, view designer. We find any one of method. See here insert method is there. So I want to write a one of that chain of method in this table. So let me create a new class, add new item. Choose the class and provide that name of that chain of command class. So it is a fm car class, right? Car class underscore extension and click add. Yeah, it's loading. Yeah. Now make add the attribute extension of this is table str of fm car class and go to that insert method, take the signature of the method, go to extension class again, follow the next keyword, insert. So this is the way we can write that chain of command. I hope you already know about this one. And I wrote the chain of command in the same model itself, but actually we need to write in that some other different model. So this time we are getting that only suggestions from that Visual Studio. And now we can jump into that installation of the GitHub Copilot. Now this post is very important, so please pay close attention, guys. So to installation of that GitHub Copilot, so we required the Visual Studio 2022 and GitHub account. You can take in a personal email ID. If you don't have that GitHub Copilot account, then you can create a GitHub Copilot account. So I already have a GitHub account. So first I am going to sign into this one. See, install GitHub Copilot components. Just click this one. It is asking for the installation. So let me click install. It's taking little bit time, guys, because it depends upon that our network bandwidth as well. So I'm clicking install. Yeah, finally the installation has been completed. Close this window and Visual Studio also automatically close, and then open the Visual Studio again and version of Visual Studio 2022. More, run as administrator. Yeah, this is my recent project. Let me open the same project. See guys, after GitHub installed, it is showing that this window. Earlier it's not there because we not installed. So go to that GitHub Copilot and sign in is to GitHub Copilot. So here I'm going with that. Continue with the Google. If you have the GitHub Copilot account, then you can use it. See it as asking the device verification. You will receive a email. Yeah, I got the verification code. Please provide that verification code here. Once that verification is completed, then we can able to access that GitHub Copilot in F&O. So you are being redirected to authorize. Yeah, success. Your authorization was successful. You can now return to Visual Studio. So you guys, once if it is success, then we can able to access the GitHub Copilot. Then it is showing that green mark. That means it's the sign in is successful. So the same chain of command. Now I am going to write another table. So we can easily identify that what is the differences of that earlier one this code. So let me go to that view again, application explorer, and go to that fleet management. This time we'll go with that chain of command with the other table. So car color, view designer, yeah. So this table no methods, so then fine. We can write a chain of command, go to the solution explorer and add new class, new item, select code. Here provide the meaningful name, FM car colors, okay, underscore extension. Then click add. See when I press enter and writing the attribute extension of. See guys, here this intelligence is showing tab to accept what is the content is generated by Copilot, or Alt plus forward slash to modify. So when I press the tab, what is that I'm getting? Okay, it is generated by Copilot, but before Copilot it is not generating. But anyway, this is a table str we can give it. And what is the table name? FM car colors. uh, we can give that, we can FM car colors. Then try to write a method, suppose a public. See, when I mention public, automatically void some new method. GitHub agent is suggesting for us what we are going to be write. Let's say I want to write a one chain of command method, insert void insert method. See, GitHub is continuously giving that suggestions which method we are going to write. Okay, and followed by next keyword. See, next keyword insert and the custom logic after inserting FM color record. Then automatically it is giving that how to get the current buffer. Also, the GitHub Copilot is suggested as, let me create a one normal runnable class. Add new item. So this time I'm taking the runnable class. In this runnable class, provide the name as calculator. So I'm writing calculator program. Then, and after pressing that enter button, GitHub Copilot, see, giving that enter suggestion, calculator, object is created, result, calcs that add method, and it is passing the parameters void and result, see, subtraction. So this is helping us to what is the program we want to go and write. Suppose if we are not going to write this one, then we can declare the variables. Again, it will start trying to give the suggestions integer. See, a equal to 10. So you can accept it integer. C integer b equal to 20. And next, 1 minute guys. So let's say then b equal to 5. And now integer sum is given, and after pressing the enter, see, integer difference is given. Then next, integer product, press the tab button, it is accepting. Integer real quotient, see, sum is generated, difference. See, I'm not writing anything. GitHub Copilot only, it's just giving that all the details guys. See, quotient also. So this is helpful for us to day-to-day activities. Okay, if this helpful so far, please like this video. It really supports to the my channel. And next video we are going to see about that more features, how we are going to be utilize other extra features in F&O point of view. Thank you guys. Thanks for your time.